Today we're gonna create this popular fluted glass effect in Figma step by step. I'm gonna show you how to do it and how to add it to the actual mockup. So let's get started. Let's click R and select rectangle shape. The width is gonna be 100, the height is gonna be 1000 for now. Let's remove the fill, add the stroke, 1 pixel. It's gonna be center, color is gonna be white. Let's add fill, select linear gradient. First one is gonna be black, second one is gonna be color code 121212. The third one is gonna be solid white, and the last one is gonna be solid white as well. Let's position to the center like so. We have our gradient which is vertical. Let's position it horizontally like so. Let's make sure it's right here, it's correct. So let's move a bit to the, because we wanted the effect to be visible. The next color, the black one, the middle is gonna be 75%. The white color, we're gonna leave it as it is, or we can add it to the 70% as well. Depends how you like this effect to be. The last color, we're gonna leave it as it is. Now when we have our effect right here, let's try to adjust it. I suggest that you have, the way you adjusted it, you have this visible line right here, because we're gonna need it to see this transition later on. Let's remove the opacity to 10%. Now it looks awesome. Let's also remove the opacity of the stroke to 20%. Reduce it, reduce it to 10%. When it looks cool, I think it looks nice. Let's add the effect. I'm gonna have a background blur, and let's increase it to 15. That should be fine. Reduce the height to 700. Let's select our shape and let's duplicate it. Now when we duplicate, we have two shapes. I don't want any padding between them, so it's gonna be set to 0. Now let's duplicate it again, and then we click hit Command or Ctrl D and duplicate it, so we have 7 shapes. Let's adjust it to the actual center. I have some shapes right here that I already added. I will leave the link in the description as well, in case you want to create this effect as well, so you can have these shapes and download them for yourself. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add these shapes to the behind the actual effect, okay, behind these rectangles. Then what we're gonna do is, first one we're gonna leave it as it is, the second one we're gonna send it to back, okay, and then the fourth one, we're gonna send it to back. The fifth one we're gonna leave it as it is, and this one I'm gonna send it to back as well. Basically what I'm looking for is to see these shapes, to have this nice transition between them. I think it looks cool, but the whole point is just to show you how you create this effect, and then you can play around with the shapes and adjust them as you think they look best. I have my shape right here, and I have my hero block that I've created. What we're gonna do is let's select all our elements and let's add them to the frame, and let's rename it to 1, and let's add the frame to the actual hero block, okay. Now let's adjust it to the center. What I wanted to do is I want to move these shapes a bit up, okay. Then probably we're gonna have to reduce the height up to here, I would say. Then I think we're gonna do, just so it doesn't look boring, I'm just gonna add every single shape. I'm gonna adjust the height a bit because I want it to look much nicer. This is how you create fluted glass effect in Figma. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.